Hey, did you open your mail and notice that your car insurance renewal is just a wee bit more expensive than usual? Well, you're not alone. The minimum level of insurance required to operate a vehicle in Nevada has risen, and with it, so too has the cost of insurance. And here to explain the new policy that goes into effect on July 1st is attorney Judah Sokolic. He is here with Peters & Associates. Great having you, buddy.
Always a pleasure, Sean.
I got my renewal. I'm a curmudgeon. Oh, I hate when I see my bill go up. My rate increased $800 a year.
Right.
My minimums are above what the minimums are for the state, even after this new policy. Everyone's going up. What is this all about?
Well, last year the state passed a law that the minimums went from $15.30 to now $25.50, which means you have to cover now $25,000 per person in an accident, or $50,000 per person or per accident total.
Yeah.
So, which that means is everyone's premiums are going up because now the coverage has increased.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
So I'm essentially paying for the other people.
Well, you're paying for some other people, and you know, kind of what goes along with that is some people can't afford the premium increase, so they're going to just stop paying their insurance.
Which is the whole other problem. So, okay, first of all,
Yeah.
why raise the limits in the first place from $15.30 to $25.50? Is it that the payouts just weren't paying for the damages?
Right.
Yeah.
So most likely it's because medical costs have gone up, and as medical costs go up, you need more insurance coverage to cover even the bare minimum accidents. So that's why the rates have gone up to cover that.
So it's worth noting it's illegal to drive without insurance.
It is.
What are the stats? I've always been told that there's a high uninsured number here in Nevada. What are the numbers?
So right now the stats are normally about 1 in 9 people do not have any kind of insurance coverage. It's expected that rate is going to go from 1 to 9 to 1 in every 6 people won't have insurance coverage because of the increase in the premiums.
It's worth noting in other states it's as high as that right now.
California,
right? Yeah.
Which, you know, Nevada is very similar to in a lot of ways.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's not unbelievable to see that 1 in 6 people without coverage here in Nevada very soon.
So statistically, I mean, I'm not that great at math, but I'm guessing around like 17-ish%.
Right. Me neither. That's why I went to law school.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. That's great. He's good at math when it comes to you getting your check at the end, which is great. So really, I mean, these minimums being what they are, it's good, but it doesn't necessarily address the uninsured motorist insurance that you should hold as well.
Right. So even before the minimums went up, I always told people, look, get uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist. It's called UM or UIM insurance. And it covers you in case the person who hits you doesn't have insurance or they just don't have enough insurance. So for me, I have a couple kids. I have 2 girls. And if we got hit in an accident and it wasn't our fault and the person only has $15,000 or maybe now $25,000 or $50,000 total, that may not be enough to cover all of us. So I carry uninsured motorist, underinsured motorist, 100, 300,000 I think is my coverage on it. And it's to protect my family in case someone who hits us doesn't have insurance or they do a hit and run, which we see a lot of times too.
Well, which is a sin. But let's say that does happen. You get hit by an uninsured motorist. You don't have uninsured motorist protection. Literally, you're just essentially trying to sue them personally.
And a lot of times, if someone doesn't have insurance, they probably don't have any assets to go after. So a lot of times what I see is a person who comes into me for a car accident might end up actually being a bankruptcy client. Because now, if there's no insurance on the other side and they don't have underinsured motorists, they get all these medical bills coming in and they can't cover it. So essentially, they go into a medical bankruptcy.
Not to mention the car's probably, you know, totaled.
Look, it can be financially disastrous. It can really be tough on someone's family. So I highly recommend getting that uninsured motorist, and we'll actually review it for you for free. So you know you don't have to go into your insurance agency and talk to them about it. But
see, this is the cool thing. Like you don't sell insurance.
No, we don't.
But you'll look over the insurance and say, all right, here's where I see a possible pitfall you might want to address.
Right, we do that with people all the time. So we do free consultations. We'll talk about home loans. We'll talk about debt. We'll talk about your insurance coverage. And if we think that you need more to cover yourself in this environment, then that's what we'll tell you.
You're offering a couple other things with this special offer that are pretty cool as well. You have an insurance card holder, which is great because I never know where mine is in the glove box. I have like insurance cards from 3 years ago in there from like 2 different companies.
I'm guilty as well.
Free traffic ticket help?
Yeah, so if you come in and take our insurance card holder, if you get a traffic ticket, we'll actually take care of it for free.
Oh, that's great. I love it.
We're going to go out of business here soon.
Yeah, exactly, frankly. And then you've also, a couple things. You've been sponsoring the Golden Knights for the first year.
Since the beginning, yep.
You got some Golden Knights swag that you're giving away?
Yeah, we have the rally towels from the first game of the second round.
I have mine at my bar in my house right now.
Yeah, beautiful towel, and we sponsored that game, so we're giving that away. We have some tickets for next year that we'll be giving away, center ice tickets. So, yeah.
Nice.
Big
what
stuff.
section are you in?
It's center ice about 10 rows up or so. Yeah.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Section 6? 15. There we go. That's like right. That's right. That's in the club. See, I don't
Right
get in the
there.
club. I'm in the uppers.
Oh, only the best. Only the best for ours.
And finally, you were actually named one of Las Vegas' best of Las Vegas.
Yeah, we were. Yep, last year, and we're up for nominations again this year, and we'd love to be nominated again and win again. It's a proud honor because the people who vote.
How is the Panda doing?
Panda's doing great. He's getting a new look coming soon. He's gonna have a new sibling coming soon.
Nice.
So yeah, we're reproducing.
Having seen the Panda in his natural habitat of
Yes.
roughing up the other guys that do so bad in this industry, can he play hockey? Is he a good defenseman?
He's a hell of a skater.
There, see,
Yeah.
you know what? If we could pick him up on waivers, that'd be
Like a
great.
500-pound panda.
That'd be
Great.
awesome.
We're doing it.
We got it. It's great having you, buddy.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Try doing the East-West pass with the Panda in your way. Peters & Associates, or P&A Law Firm, however you'd like to call them, they can help you review your insurance and make sure that you're covered. P&A Law Firm, they're located on South Rainbow near the 215. Their website and phone number right there on your screen as well. And they are a proud sponsor of The Morning Blend.